Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're getting closer to the 78%. Now the whole thing is that it doesn't have to stop here. It could just bounce, make a higher low, and then just keep on trending up. As always, these higher time frames are definitely your friend, and I am definitely trading with the higher time frames until proven otherwise. What's going to prove otherwise is either a double top at the fib level with a breaker structure or a big bounce and then a breaker structure like that. That's what would tell me that this whole move up is complete. Until I see one of those pictures, I am definitely still very bullish on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, last night I had my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I said if you get a nice engulfing up at a fib level, then it might make a nice long. It did kind of turn right in between two fib levels, but for me personally, I mean, unless it breaks structure to the downside very significantly, preferably on a higher time frame, I am doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of these pullbacks. I would keep an eye on that daily time frame 78% Fibonacci to see if that acts as resistance. But for now, I am definitely still recommending longs within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.